Stop wasting time on others. Focus on yourself. Why you must focus on yourself. Hello, my friends. Welcome to a new English learning story. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic. Why you must stop wasting time on others and start focusing on yourself. Many people spend too much time thinking about other people's opinions, chasing friendships, or waiting for others to make them happy. But the truth is, your time is precious, and you need to focus on you. In this video, I will tell you the story of Daniel, a man who spent years living for others, but finally learned to focus on himself. As you listen, you will learn new English words, phrases, and expressions to improve your English naturally. If you want to improve your English, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Meet Daniel, a man who lived for others. This is Daniel. He is 28 years old and lives in Manchester, UK. He wakes up early every morning, but instead of focusing on himself, he checks his phone. Messages from friends, family, and colleagues fill his screen. Daniel, can you help me move my furniture today? Daniel, can you cover my shift at work? Daniel, I need to talk. I feel sad. Daniel always says yes to everyone because he does not want to disappoint them. But deep inside, he feels tired, stressed, and unappreciated. New vocabulary. Check, verb. To look at something. Daniel checks his phone every morning. Disappoint, verb. To make someone feel sad, he didn't want to disappoint his friends. Unappreciated, adjective. When no one values your efforts, Daniel felt unappreciated. Mini quiz for engagement. Have you ever said yes to someone when you really wanted to say no? Write in the comments. The signs that you are wasting your time on others. One day, Daniel realized something. He was always helping others, but never helping himself. He started noticing the signs. The signs that you are wasting time on others. You say yes to things you don't want to do. You feel tired and don't have time for yourself. You put others' happiness before your own. People expect you to always help, but they don't help you. Daniel realized that he had been living for others, and he was losing himself. New vocabulary. Realize, verb. To understand something. Daniel realized he was wasting time on others. Exhausted, adjective. Very, very tired. He felt exhausted at the end of the day. Expect, verb. To think someone will do something. People expected Daniel to always help. Mini quiz. Do you think it's important to say no sometimes? Why or why not? How Daniel learned to focus on himself. One day, Daniel made a decision. He would start focusing on himself. How to focus on yourself. Say no to things that don't help you grow. Spend time on your own goals and dreams. Learn a new skill or hobby. Take care of your health and mind. At first, it was difficult. His friends were surprised. But slowly, Daniel started to feel free, happy, and full of energy. New vocabulary. Decision, noun, a choice you make. Daniel made an important decision. Skill, noun, something you learn to do. He learned a new skill. Energy, noun, strength to do things. He felt full of energy. Mini quiz. What is one thing you would do if you had more free time? The power of focusing on yourself. After a few months, Daniel's life had changed. He was not stressed anymore. He had time for his hobbies, his career, and his dreams. He felt stronger and more independent. Lessons from Daniel's story. Focusing on yourself is not selfish. It's necessary. If you don't take care of yourself, no one else will. Saying no to others means saying yes to yourself. New vocabulary. Independent. Adjective. Able to do things alone. Daniel became independent. Fulfilled. Adjective. Feeling happy and satisfied. He felt fulfilled with his life. Mini quiz. What is one goal you want to achieve for yourself? Final message and challenge. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope it helped you learn English and understand why focusing on yourself is so important. Now, I have a challenge for you. Your challenge. Write a short story about a time when you focused on yourself. Use 3 new English words from this video. I will read your comments and reply. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning stories.